Just making a chocolate sponge. Just added the sugar, milk, flour, and mix it together. 200 grams of each. And three whole eggs.
Except
Three. Just grease the bowl with some butter. Gonna mix it in and spread it round. Got some fruit. Gonna melt up some chocolate, cooking chocolate to go in it as well. Now we've just got some frozen berries. Just gonna drain off the juice and hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. Now we're going to add these to our recipe. Just wash the juice off my hands. Now, we've got to somehow break the chunks up. Right. Might have to get something harder to break them up. I could melt it and put it on, but because we want chunks in it, we're just going to break them up. Try and get a rolling pin and get it all right. We want some quite big chunks, but not too big.
Do you save this one for the top?
No.
You're going to put it all in?
Yeah, just throw it all in. Don't matter if it's. We could do something at the top, but
You're too chocolatey.
no, it's not a lot of chocolate.
Fold it.
So we just folded it in. Doesn't have to be too much folded in, just enough to spread it around. And seems quite mixed there. And we just try and add it to the mixing bowl. Not the mixing bowl, from the mixing bowl into the greased. And you could use a metal tin, but we got a glass oven ready tin. Spread it round so it fits in the sides. Just smoothing it off a tiny little bit. And just making a small divot in the middle. So now we're going to place it in the oven on 180 for around 50 minutes. Yeah, so going to put it in the oven. Put it in the middle because we've got the chicken already in there. And we're just checking it in a little while, make sure it's okay. So to see if it's done, put a knife in the middle. If it comes out clean like that, it's done. And thanks for joining me. This is Mike Furian signing off. And may God the Creator always be with you. Ciao.